Want to turn ideas into income? Say less. It's Free Money Wednesdays. Every week, we drop the hottest funding alerts, grants, scholarships, startup catch, and hidden gems. Tune in with the Free Money crew as we break down how to apply, win, and level up. From the blog to the tube, we've got you covered. Visit mycoachministry.com/blog or subscribe on YouTube at mycoachministry for the latest drops.
All right. It's now time for us to talk about our funding for today. And of course, if you go to my website, mycoachministry.com/blog, you'll see the funding list for this month. That's July 2025. And today I'm just going to be sharing with you the top 25 grants. Okay, so I'm sorry, top 10. So today, what I'm sharing with you today is, hang on. You can see me properly. Okay. So today, what I'm sharing with you is the top 10 grants for July 2025 based on that July blog that's on my platform right now. So are you ready to fund your dream? Let's go. Here are the top 10 grants and programs launching this July 2025. Let's find your golden ticket. All right. Whether you're global or local, nonprofit or startup, these programs spark real impact with hard cash and invaluable perks. Let's dive into the top 10 opportunities you should apply for before July wraps up. And you can find them here at My Coach Ministry. You can find them at mycoachministry.com/blog. So here we go. Number 10, Awesome Foundation, $1,000 micro grants monthly, zero strings, total freedom. Ideal for creative or social impact projects. Imagine getting $1,000 for just for being awesome. Month rounds, no S's. Number 9, Antler Global Startup Fund, early stage VC backed accelerator for global founders. If you run or launch a nonprofit, this is your MBA in a box. Number 8, I said the wrong thing. I'm sorry. Number 9, Antler Global Startup Program, early stage VC backed accelerator for global founders. Want to scale worldwide? Antler's Global Accelerator is your runway. Number 8, American Express Leadership Academy. Nonprofit leaders get adaptive skills and cohort networking. If you run or launch a nonprofit, this is your MBA in a box. Number 7, Amazon Small Business Success Studio. Free finance, marketing, and ops lessons. Pro founder curated. Amazon isn't just marketplace, it's your digital MBA. Number 6, Amazon App Store Small Business Accelerator. 10% boost in royalties plus AWS credits up to another 10%. App devs earn more per download and get cloud credits to grow. Number 5, Canva Pro for nonprofits from recent resource lists. Free Canva Pro access, premium templates and design tools. Nonprofits make polished visuals for free. Canva Pros on you. Number 4, Cartier Women's Initiative, $100,000 plus awards, plus elite leadership support. Early stage women-led for-profit startups driving impact. Women entrepreneurs win up to $100,000 and join a global leadership circle. Number 3, Etsy Disaster Relief Fund, $2,500 grants for sellers affected by disasters. Etsy sellers hit by storms, you could get a 2,500 reset. All right. Number two, emergent ventures, Mercatus. Grants plus fellowships for bold society shifting ideas. Got a wild idea that could change everything? Emergent Ventures is listening. And number one, the final one, F F6S accelerators and pitch competitions, curated listings all over the globe, ongoing deadlines. Access hundreds of pitch and accelerator opportunities worldwide right now. Right now. These opportunities were handpicked because they combine financial power, access to community or mentorship, and diverse focus areas from tech and global scaling to creative initiatives, disaster recovery, and nonprofit leadership. How to apply? Check eligibility and dates. Many close by late July. Prepare your story. Impact angle is key. Gather docs, financials, bios, past impact evidence. Um, Apply with intention. Early birds get seen. And follow up. Polite emails can open doors. Treat applications as narratives, not just paperwork. And start early. Jesus. And start early. Winners aren't always the flashiest, they're the prepared ones. Need help choosing which path suit your mission? I'm Coach Raquel, inviting you to comment below. Let's find your best fit. What's your dream grant? And the I have a power tip here for you. Mike. I want to leave you with this tip. Power tip. Let's put this back. Right. So power tip for today: craft your application like a story, not a sales pitch. Your grant application isn't just a checklist. It's your origin story, your impact arc, your why now. Funders aren't just investing in projects. They're investing in purpose, momentum, and you use clear language, tie every answer to outcomes, and paint a vivid picture of transformation. Bonus tip: lead with impact, follow with evidence, and close with vision. Make them feel the urgency, then see the possibility. Wow, wow, wow. We've come to the end. We've come to the end of this segment now. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I really, really, really hope that the information I just shared with you is useful and helpful. It is my hope that it empowers you to kick down doors, gain access, and maximize on the resources that you get access to. Thank you so much for watching this episode of our funding alerts. Oh my goodness. Let's end it here. I just want to say thank you so much for sticking with us, sticking and staying. I don't even like that phrase, that saying really. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for going through this episode with me and all the other episodes. Thank you for following, for listening, for sharing, for commenting. And I just want to say to you that it's been a pleasure being here with you. It's been such a joy packaging this information and sharing it with you. It is my hope that as we go through these stories, these experiences, as we share these grant funding with you, these tips as it comes to make consumer tips when you purchase and unpack things and you bring things into your home, it is my hope that it's empowering for you, it's useful information, and it is my hope that you find this program as a space as a hub for support, and that you share with me. Let me know, ask questions, seek information if you need to. If I need to find more information for you, more tips, whatever the case may be, share it with me, because I serve with pleasure. It is my joy to be here. I see myself here as providing support for you, for entrepreneurs, and for all my viewers. So it is my hope that you will speak with me, talk to me, let me know what information are you looking for. how can I support you based on, of course, the packaging of the show. And I'd be happy to, find those information and put it in, include it so that you can benefit from it. But I just want to say thank you so much. I'm Coach Raquel. It's been a pleasure. Episode 17 and going on 18. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being here with me. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Be a part of the gang, the Entrepreneurs Allowed gang, please, and thank you. Okay, so I just want to say thank you again and have a great day. Goodbye. Mwah. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.